Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of 11 Labs. So let me take you to the website, which is 11labs.io. For the ones who don't know about them, 11 Labs is an AI voice platform that helps users create realistic text-to-speech, voiceovers, dubbing, and audio content. The website offers advanced speech tools for creators, businesses, and developers. It is a strong choice for users looking to produce high-quality AI-generated voice content. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and see if you wanna have them, if you wanna utilize the services or the tools. But that's not exactly why we are here. As usual, we are here to earn money from 11 Labs. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program of 11 Labs and we start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we end up receiving commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. No restrictions found. So regardless of your location or the location of your consumers, so long as you're bringing valid sales to 11 Labs, you will end up receiving commission. So let's learn more about the affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the affiliate program page of 11 Labs. I'm going to mention this link in the video description as well for your quick reference. Once here, if you scroll down, you would be able to see rewarding refers. So for every new paid subscriber plan, you will earn 22% of all payment for the first 12 months with no limits. Now that's very generous. You get recurring commission for 12 months. So you simply have to share 11 labs with your friends and followers and help make content universally accessible. And of course, you keep an eye on your earnings with the intuitive dashboard. If I scroll down, you can see start earning in 3 easy steps. You share, you subscribe, you earn. And then if you scroll down, you can see all these FAQs. So anything that isn't covered in the video, you can come to this page and go through these frequently asked questions to find the answer. Now, how do you sign up for the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Partner Stack. Now, what is Partner Stack and what does that have to do with 11 Labs? So, Partner Stack is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there, specializes in SaaS related brands. So, what is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of 11 Labs, we must have a affiliate account with Partner Stack. So how do you create an account with them? Simply come to the website, click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on I'm a partner and you can complete the sign up to get yourself an account. Now we understand that many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate network out there. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Partner Stack affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate account with Partner Stack. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again, hover over login, click on it, enter your credentials or authenticate it through your credentials, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. And this is a place where you will be able to find the affiliate program of different brands as well, but we're going to keep our focus on the affiliate program of 11 Labs. So how do you find the affiliate program? Simply click on discover partnerships. It will take you to this page. Over here within the search bar, start typing 11 Labs, and once you see them in the drop down, simply click on their name, and then it will take you to the 11 Labs affiliate program page on Partner Stack. Once here, you can scroll down and you can see offers and commission structure, 22% commission for the first 12 months of every new referrer. And then you can see more details. You have to wait for 5 days once you've applied for the affiliate program, and you can click on terms of service to understand what is allowed and what's not allowed. Now, how do you apply? You simply scroll down and you can see what type of content creator are you in the affiliate space. So choose the one that suits you the most. I'm a YouTuber. I'm going to go with YouTube. And then how do you hear about 11 Labs Creator affiliate program? You can choose the one that suits. So I'm going to go with other. In your case, you might want to go with social media posts or something else. And then how do you plan to promote 11 Labs? Well, I intend to promote them through my YouTube channel. You can choose wherever you intend to promote them. So let's say you're planning to promote them on website, email, blog posts as well. So you can select multiple here. And then We would like to see where you are planning to promote them. To finalize your affiliate setup, please provide one direct URL, not an hyperlink to your specific channel page or the page of any platform where you are planning to promote them. So as I said, I am planning to promote them on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to mention the URL of my YouTube channel here. You can put in the URL of your website or wherever you plan to promote them. Then how large is your audience? Kindly provide an estimated count for your most active platform. So you can click here and you can choose your audience. I'm going to go with the second option. You can choose yours too. Enter your country of residence. So I'm going to go with India. You can also select your country of residence. And then what is your primary language? I'm going to go with English. You can also choose your primary language. Then, do you regularly use 11 Labs? Yes or no? Well, I don't regularly use, I'm familiar with it, so I'm gonna go with no. Once you have filled up all these details, simply click on Submit Application. When you do that, your application to the 11 Labs team would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. And it could take less than 5 days. And once you've been approved, you'll be notified by an email. Let's say you have been approved, then what? Then you can again log into PartnerStack Affiliate Dashboard, and this time you can click on your programs from the top, and over here you would be able to see 11 Labs here. And once you click on it, you'll be able to see as approved. But since we are still waiting, if I'm going to click on it, I'll get to see the same message that I can see application submitted. So just to give you a demo, I'm going to use the program called LearnWalls. Let's say you've been approved by 11 Labs. You can select on that tile from your program section, but just for the demo, I'm clicking on LearnWalls, which will take me to the LearnWalls affiliate program page. And as you have been approved by 11 Labs, so you would be able to see something similar like this. And if you scroll down, you can see your performance and of course your referral link. So to start with it, you want to click on links. Of course, on the 11 Labs affiliate program page, it will provide you the available links that you can directly copy and share it with your audience, with your traffic. Or you can also click on create a custom link and you can create it. You can also look at the resources that might be available for 11 Labs, and you would be able to download some creative from here as well that you would be able to integrate on your platforms. If you ever want to reach out to the team, you can click on messages and you can initiate any communication with them too. So this is how you can get your tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote 11 Labs? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by 11 Labs, you can promote them anywhere on your website. Big homepage, big category page, wherever you feel like is more suited for you, for your audience, and for your traffic. You can go ahead and do that. Second way is through blog. You can also write blog posts about 11 Labs and put your tracking link somewhere within the blog post. So this way, when people would read it, if they like it, they click on it and they subscribe it, you get the commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great here because you could create content, maybe create videos, reels, posts, and put your tracking link in the comment section or the description. Fourth way is SaaS website, which is software as a service website. Let's say as an affiliate, you have such a website available, then maybe you might want to promote 11 Labs or feature them somewhere on your website. Maybe create a standalone section for AI tools and list 11 Labs as one of the top tools over there. So this way, when people would come to your website and if they explore that section, they might click on 11 Labs, they might subscribe to 11 Labs, become the member, and you'll get commission for the next 12 months. The problem is, even though you start promoting them, let's say on website, a blog, social media, SaaS website, or any other platform of yours, but getting traffic is always a challenge. So there are top three traffic sources that I got for you that are best suited for 11 Labs. You might want to drive traffic through YouTube. So people usually available on YouTube are more inclined towards buy subscription from brands like 11 Labs. If you prefer to do blog posts, you might want to keep it SEO friendly. So this way you'll get more generic traffic to your blog posts, which will convert into conversion and of course the commission for you then. Third is Twitter or X. So you may also choose that, maybe tweet about different things, and in between you talk a bit about 11 Labs as well. So this way you can also drive more traffic, maybe promote 11 labs over there and drive the traffic directly through your tracking links to 11 labs website, or maybe to your platform and then to 11 labs website as you see fit. So these are some of the top traffic sources for 11 labs. Let's say you started bringing sales to 11 labs. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the partner stack affiliate dashboard once again. Over here, you can click on reporting, which will take you to the section. And over here, you can click on partnership performance, and you will be able to see your performance by different partners. You'll be able to see clicks, unique clicks, signups, paid customers, transactions, and revenue. If you click on link performance, you'll be able to see performance by links. Over here, you will be able to see commission details and then customer performance as well. Now, let's say you want to see your commission so that you can withdraw it. For that, you can click on commission section from the menu bar, which will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see the funds that is available for you to withdraw. And if you like to withdraw it, simply click on set up withdrawals. You will have three options to choose from. If you go with direct deposit, you can give your banking details and expect to receive commission via direct deposit within 2 to 5 business days. Processing fees varies depending on your bank account and of course the withdrawal amount. If you go with PayPal, give your PayPal email address, confirm it, and you're good to go. You can expect to receive commission within 6 to 10 business days. Processing fees 2% of the withdrawal amount, maximum $20 USD. Then Stripe is the third option if you want to go with. Let's say you have set up the payment method, then you simply have to click on withdraw and you will be getting the commission that you see here. And if you scroll down, you can also see more about the commission. Here you can select your earning by the month, last 3 months, and different selection. You can also search by program, search by commission status as well. If you want to learn all these commission status in detail, click on learn about commission statuses and you'll have better understanding too. You can also click on estimated available date and see the commission by when you can expect it to be available. And if you want to see your withdrawals history, you can click on withdrawals, and over here you would be able to see the history of all your withdrawals from the past. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of 11 Labs. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of 11 Labs. And as an affiliate, if you want to learn more, if you want to get better in your affiliate marketing journey, I have created some amazing resources for you. They are free as well as premium resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. And if you got any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.